Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker. If you're in the market for a new ice maker, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for your needs. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is known for producing chewable nugget ice, perfect for soft drinks and cocktails, while the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker offers quick production of standard ice cubes. We'll explore their features, daily outputs, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces nugget or pellet ice, which is soft and chewable, making it a favorite for many ice enthusiasts. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker produces standard cylindrical ice cubes, which are versatile but may not provide the same texture and enjoyment as nugget ice. This difference in ice type is a significant factor for consumers when choosing between these two machines. When it comes to daily output, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker shines with an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is still substantial, but may not meet the needs of larger households or parties. This difference in capacity could influence your choice depending on how much ice you typically require. Pricing is another critical factor to consider. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219, reflecting its premium features and high output capacity. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is much more budget-friendly at $99.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Depending on your budget and ice needs, this price difference may play a significant role in your decision-making process. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize nugget ice and higher capacity, the Kismile might be the better choice for you. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that still delivers good performance, the Igloo is a solid contender. Whichever you choose, both machines are designed to make your ice-making experience easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.